This was our whiteboard for our Halloween neighborhood attraction that we did. The Bridge of Mystery, Sword of the Kings, Lancelot, Dwarven Axes, Troll Bowl, Dragon. Here was our map. Here was our map. And this is what we did. All right, out here, Hope Commons, the Dragon's Gauntlet Halloween 2022. We've got a fire going over here. All right. Hot chocolate is happening. And you come in past the elf, princess, and past the bridge keeper, the dragon warrior.
The warrior.
Yes. In order to cross my bridge, you must prove that you are wise.
The Bridge of Mystery is right here. You have to prove that you're right.
Prove that you are wise.
Okay. How do I do that?
You must answer my riddle.
Okay.
If you drop me, I will crack. But if you smile, I will smile back. What am I?
An egg? I'm not wise.
You're not wise. A mirror.
Do eggs often smile back at you, friend?
A mirror. Link, thank you.
Then you have proven that you at least have wise friends. May cross my bridge to
All
the
right.
Swordmaster.
Over the Bridge of Mysteries to the Swordmaster. Swordmaster, what do we have to do here?
See here, you're going to learn how to fight your foes before you face the Black Knight.
Oh, okay.
The first move is strike in the side.
Oh!
And then you'll stab in the heart.
Oh!
And then go for the death.
Yes!
The deadly kill.
Wonderful. Thank you, Sword Maiden. All right, and next we go.
You jump on your steed.
We fight the knight.
You run.
Okay, so we get on the steed.
You fight good Sir Knight.
All right, here we go.
Stand fast! Pull it out!
All right, we did it. We did it.
You fought with honor.
Wonderful.
Well done.
Thank you, Goodly.
Medieval fist bump.
Back here is troll bowling with the elf princess. The elf princess. You can also and the troll and the troll. Troll bowl. Sir Troll, how has the troll bowling gone tonight?
Sweaty.
Well, you've done wonderfully. And then there's the cave of mystery and scariness. You have to crawl through the there we go, through the scary tunnel. All right, now the crow is eating things. All right, we have dwarven axes are happening. The dwarves have axes.
You must go to the dragon's lair and slay him. Be careful, it's perilous. Godspeed, mates.
Good Sir Dwarf.
Yes,
We
sir.
have many questers here tonight.
Many questers indeed.
Wonderful, thank you. And look, you got grapes and bread. Wow.
Ale, the works.
Wonderful to help you with your question.
And ye shall never miss.
And the dragon is the last stop on the quest.
You got it, girl. Let's go.
Yes.
An arrow?
So we have Robin Hood and Shrek here at the dragon. And then when you're finished, you come back through and come out here to these lovely maidens who will give you your reward. The Dragon's Gauntlet!